Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here to discuss some topics related to the mathematics, that is subtraction. So students, you have already done the subtraction in first and second standard. Yes. So before starting the lesson, some warm up is given there. Just see what it is. Help the bear to find the way to his house by solving the subtraction sums given below and coloring the respective answers in the given grid. Okay. Now for that, just see 42 minus 5. So you just have to count back from the 42, that is 41, 40, 39, 36, 39, 38, 37. So you have to write 37 and make the color here with the pencil. Okay. Now see what about the 424 minus 9. So count the 9 back from the 24. So it will be 15. Okay. Now see 89 minus 20. So 9 minus 0 is 9. And 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now in this way you have to find out the answer and color all the boxes. See, in my way ahead, some terms are given there. We know that we use the subtraction to take out one amount from other. So what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means you just have to take out the one amount from the other. The terms subtrahend, minuend and the difference are used while subtracting. So just see which are the term it is. Minuend. The upper number is called the minuend and the lower number is called the subtrahend. The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend and the answer is find, that is answer is called as the difference. Okay. Now see the subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. So students, you know the meaning of without regrouping. Without regrouping means you just don't have to share the number or carry the number. Just see this number. Subtract 104 from 427. So you just have to write 427 first and minus 104. So starting from the ones, 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. Now see with regrouping. In with regrouping you can see subtract 348 from 577. So second number you have to write first, that is 577 minus 348. So students, you can see here the upper number is 7, means it is the lower one, and the lower number is the 8. So is it possible 7 minus 8? No. So what you have to do, you just have to borrow 1 from the 7. If you borrow 1 from the 7 means it reduce the number 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6 and here you have to carry 10, means 10 plus 7 is 17. Now you can reduce the number 17 minus 8, so it is equal to 9. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is again 2. Okay. Now in this way you have to do my practice time 1. The first question you can see started from the ones. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5, no one is there, so you just write 5 and here is the 4. See the second one. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4 and 6, again write it as 6. Okay. Now see the second question. Again here you can see 8 minus 9 is not possible. So you just have to cut it and write it as 18. And what about the 7? You just have to cut it and write it as 6 because 7 is given 1 to the 8. So it will be 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 is here again and 7 is here. Okay. Now see the second one again. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So cut it as and write it as 15. Here is from 3. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 8 is write it as 8. Okay. Now in this way students, you have to do the remaining one. Just see the third question. What is given third question? Write in column and subtract. You just have to write the number A 516 from 617. So write the number 100, tens, ones. Second number you have to write first and then 516 and do the subtraction. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 6 minus 5 is again 1. Okay students. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one also. Yes. See the B1. 250 from 750. So write the number 100, tens, ones, 750 and the number 250. Okay, now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5, 0 and 7 minus 2 is again 5. Okay, now in this way you have to do the remaining one. See the question number 4. Fill in the blanks. You just have to subtract the number and write it in the column. So number is 746. 746 minus 318. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So make it as 16. Cut it 4 as a 3. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer will be 428. So you have to write this 428 here. 428. So you have to do the subtraction and write it in the column. Okay. Now see the question. The next one is subtraction of a 4-digit number. Like the 3-digit number, the 4-digit number is also the same. Here is the without regrouping. So you know the students without regrouping. Subtract 3226 from 5438. First you have to write the number 5438 and then subtract the number 3226. So 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is again 2. Now see with regrouping, subtract 2416 from 6325. So just see the number 6325 you have to write first and then subtract 2416. Now see from the 5 minus 6 is not possible. So what you have to do, you just have to subtract the number 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. So 2 cut it as and write it as 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 3 minus 4 is not possible. So borrow from the 6, it will be 5. So it will be 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, now in this way you have to do the subtraction, students. See my practice time 2. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. There is no number, so you just have to write number as it is. Again 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 and 8. Okay, now in this way you have to do the remaining one, students. Follow the same procedure for all. Now see the second one. Solve the following. Here is the number 6 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So cut it as 6 and write it as 16 and borrow from the 4 that is 5 that is 4. 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 as it is, 3 as it is, 7 as it is. Okay. Now see this one again, or you can do this one. Yes, this you can do. 1 minus 7 is not possible. So cut it 1 as 11. From the 9 you have taken 1 that is 8. 11 minus 7 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 8 again not possible. So cut it as 5 as 4 and 7 as 17. 17 minus 8 is 9 and here is the 4th. Okay, students, you have to do the remaining one by following the same method. Just see the third question is also the same. You just have to write the number 8748 first and then subtract 8748 and subtract the number 7549 from 8748. Okay. Now again see the fill in the blanks. You have to do the subtraction and write the answers here. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 8 is again 0. 1 minus 6, sorry. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 7 minus 2 is again 5. So in this way you have to do the remaining one. See, the next one is checking subtraction with addition. To check the answer of a subtraction, add the difference to the subtrahend and to get the minuend. So students, when you are doing the subtraction, whether you just want to know whether our answer is right or wrong. So what you have to do for that? You just see the first number is called the minuend. The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend and the answer is called as the difference. So while cross checking, what you have to do? You just have to add the number subtrahend and difference. You will get the minuend. Okay. Now see the properties of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from any number, we always get the number itself. That you already know, students. If you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same answer. When we subtracted 1 from any number, we get the just before the given number. Yes, when you are subtracting 1 from any number, what you will get? You will get the predecessor of that numbers. Means if you are subtracting 622 minus 1, so it will be 621. Now when we subtracted a number from itself, that we always get the 0. If number is always subtracted from itself, you will get the answer 0. Okay. Now see my practice time 3. Subtract the following and check your answers. For that you just have to subtract the number 379 minus 246. What you have to do? Check the answer. Means A, you have to write 379 minus 246. Okay, write the number 100 tens ones 379 minus 246. Okay, now do the subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, and it is 1. Okay, now how will you check the number? You just have to add these two numbers, that is 246 plus 133. Add the number 100 tens and ones. 9 7 3. Yes, it is the same number, means your answer will be correct. Okay, now see the second question. Fill in the box. Which number is subtracted from 0 get the same number? That is, same number is subtracted from the 0, you will get the same answer. 780 minus which number you will get the 0? If same number is subtracted from the number, answer will be 0. 7510 minus 0 is equal to 7510. Okay. Now see the addition and subtraction together. We can perform addition and subtraction together to solve the problems. Just see in the examination, in the example, if addition and subtraction both the process are given at the same example, what you have to do? You just first have to add the number, and what will be the answer? You just have to subtract answer from that number. Okay. Now see in my practice time 4. First A, 394 plus 683 minus 472. Okay, now in this addition and subtraction both are given, so first you have to add the number, that is 100 tens ones. The number is 394 and 683. Add the number. 8 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10, so carry 0, here 1, and there is the 1, so here you have to write 1000. Okay, now what will be the answer is 1077. Now you have to subtract this number, subtract 1 from this number 472, so write here thousands, hundred, tens, 1. Number is 1077 minus 472. Okay, now 7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 0, 0 minus 4 is not possible, so cut it and write it as 10. Here is the 0, 10 minus 6 is 4 is 6, so here I have to write the number is 605. So in this way, students, first you have to do the addition and then you have to subtract it. Okay, now see the second question. Add 3724 to 5173 and then subtract 4029 from the total. Find the answer. It is the same. You just have to add these two numbers and then what will be the answer? You just have to subtract 4029 from that answer. Okay, now see the third question. Fill in the blanks. 5279 plus 287 minus 14172. Again you have to do the same one. 5279. Add the number 5279 plus 287. Okay. Now add the number. Right here ones, tens, hundred and thousands. So 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is again 16. Carry 1 here. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, and here is the 5. Okay. What you have to do? Minus 472. So what will be the minus 4172? So 5, 566 minus 4172. Okay, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Subtraction, do the subtraction. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 7 is not possible, so cut it and write it as 16. Here is the 4. 16 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here is the 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. It's again 1. So here you have to write the answer, that is 1394. Okay students, in this way you have to first do the addition and then subtract this number from your addition. See the word problem. In the word problem, you just have to write the answers in the sentences. A shopkeeper has 578 eggs in a shop. He sold 389 eggs in a week's time. How many eggs are left in the shop? So, total numbers of eggs in a shop is 578. And how many numbers of eggs are sold in a week? That is 389. So, the number of total eggs left is equal to total number of eggs minus eggs sold in a week. Okay, now say 578 minus 389. If you are doing the subtraction, you will get the answer, that is 189. So you have to write, thus the number of eggs left in the shop are 189. Okay, now see the second question. Ritika collected 20347 coins and her friend Simi collected 1149 coins. So, how many coins did Ritika collect compared to Simi? So, what you have to do? You just have to do the subtraction, that is 2037 minus 1149. You will get the answer, that is 888. So, you have to write, thus Ritika collect 888 coins from more than Simi. Okay. Now, see my practice time 5. What must be added to 3162 to get 5090? So, here I have to write, means which number is added to 3162 to get 5090? So here I have to write, subtract 3162 from 5090. Okay, now you just have to subtract thousands, hundred, tens and 1. 5090 minus 3162. So you have to write 8. It is the 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 write it as 4, and it is the 10 minus 1 is 9, and 4 minus 3 1. So you have to write what must be added to 3162. So you have to write 1928 is added to 3162 to get how much? 5090. Okay. Now students, you can see the second question. You can see many mountains peak in these pictures. Find the difference in the heights between the highest and the lowest peak. For that, what you have to do? You just have to find which one is the highest one and which one is the lowest peak. So from the figure you can see which one is the highest peak. Yes, which one is the highest is this is, that is 1850, and which is the lowest is 1650. So you have to write highest peak. Write height of highest peak is equal to 1850 meter, and height of lowest peak, which is equal to 1650 meter. Therefore, you have to write difference between the peak is equal to 1850 minus 1650. It is equal to 200 meter. Okay. Now, students, you have to write here. I have to write thus the difference between the difference between the highest peak highest and the lowest peak is how much? 200 meter. Okay, now students, you will understood how to find out the answer. In this way you have to do the all remaining ones. Now moving to the next topic, that is estimating the differences. To estimate the differences or to the nearest tens and hundreds, we round off the number first and then subtract. Estimate the difference between 629 and 626 to the nearest tens. So for that, what you have to do, just see the number 629. 629, when it is rounding off the number nearest to the tens, it will be, see the last number is 9. So make it as 0 and add 1 to the second number, that is 630, and 262 is converted as last number is 2. So make it as 0, the number is 260, and then subtract the number 630 minus 260 is equal to 370, and thus the estimate is difference is 370. Okay, now see the second example. Estimate the difference between 2465 and 1223. So nearest to the hundreds. So what you have to do, just nearest to the 100 means see the last two digit, that is 65. So 65 means here is the number 6, second number is greater than 5. So make it as 00 and add one number to the 4. So it will give 2500. And then 1223 make it as 1200, that is 2 is less than 5, so make it as 00 and the number is 1200, and do the difference, you will find out the answer 1300. The estimated difference is 1300. Okay, now in this way you have to do my practice time 6. See the my practice time 6. Estimate the difference by first rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. The first number is 325 minus 124. So write down rounding off the number nearest to tens. Okay, so we get, if you are rounding off the number nearest to the tens, so the number is 325. See the last number is 5, means it is greater than or equal to 5. So you write it as 330, and the number is 124. It will be, the 4 is less than 5, so make it as 120, and then do the subtraction. So here I have to write 330 minus 120. It is equal to 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So here you have to write, thus the estimated difference of 325 and 124 is, how much it is? 210. Okay, now students, you know how to round off the number nearest to the tens. Now see the second question. Estimate the difference by rounding off the number nearest to the hundreds. Okay, see the A1, or you can see the D1 also. Okay, D you have to do, that is 3215 minus 1225. Okay, now rounding off the number nearest to which one? Hundreds. Okay, now 3215, make it as 100 means you have to consider the two numbers, so it will be 3200, and 1225 is considered as the two numbers, that is 25, so it is 1200. Then here try difference is equal to 3200 minus 1200, is it equal to 0, 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, and it is 2. So here I have to write, thus the estimated difference is, how much it is? 2000. Okay, now students, in this way you have to do the remaining one. So you have so here we have finished the lesson number 3, that is subtraction. Students, I hope you will understood very well all the topics in the lesson number 3, subtraction. So thank you so much for attending the class. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much, students.